Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Continuing with our focus series, we will look into then, than, them today. So let's begin with then. How do we pronounce then? T-H-E-N. Then pen. Then pen. P-E-N. Then pen. Then pen. Now then and then, they sound similar. एक जैसे लगते हैं, sound एक जैसा है. But then and then are not the same. They have different meanings. Then means, then pen, then means time, order. Now look into this. Then again, if then, back then. Now see the sequence with this sentence. First I went to the market. Then I cooked lunch. So first it was the market and then it was lunch. So that is order. I'm going to order soup first. Then I will think about the main course. I am going to order soup first, then I'll think about the main course. Now two friends are talking over the phone. Let's meet for lunch. See you then. Let's meet for lunch. See you then. If you will study for the exam, then you will pass. If you will study for the exam, then you will pass. He finished his work and then went to meet some friends. So what did he do first? First he finished his work. Then he went to meet his friends. He finished his work and then went to meet some friends. Naina likes to go to the beach now and then. Every now and then I eat ice cream. Now what is now and then? Once in a while. रोज नहीं, वीक में या 15 दिन में एक बार. She climbed one step, then another. Nitin was at the front, then Pawan, and then Nittu. See the order. If I don't pay my bill on time, then I have to pay fine. If not now, then when? अब नहीं तो कब? अब अगर इंग्लिश नहीं सीखोगे तो कब सीखोगे? If not now, then when? I was in class 9th then. I was in class 9th then. We didn't have internet then. उस ज़माने में जब मैं क्लास 9th में थी तब इंटरनेट नहीं था, वाईफाई नहीं थी, मोबाइल नहीं था. So we talk about those days. We didn't have internet then. Now we come to the next word, than. T-H-A-N. Than, can, C-A-N, can. Than, can. See the pronunciation. Than, can. So what is than used for? Than is used for comparison. Comparison. तुलना जब हम किसी करते हैं तब हम इंग्लिश में than यूज़ करते हैं. जब हम किसी की तुलना करते हैं हम इंग्लिश में than यूज़ करते हैं. ये compare करते हैं हम. It is a comparison between persons, objects, places, things. More than, less than, rather than, smarter than, better than. Now look into these sentences. Richa is more beautiful than Achi. I would prefer to go to a beach rather than a mall. Abhi is funnier than Frankie. Abhi is funnier than Frankie. I have more storybooks than my friend. English is easier than mathematics. That village is better than this village. Now we move on to the next word, and that is them. It's them. Give them. take them, follow them, tell them. Now look into these sentences. Did you meet Reena and Tina? I sometimes meet them. I asked them to fix my car. Did you invite our neighbors to the party? Yes, I invited them to the party. Among this, which of them is your brother? We provided food and clothes to them. I will take them with me to the park. I will take them with me to the park. I will get them later. I will get them later. Give them what they want. Now the children are crying at home that we want ice cream. So the father says, give them what they want. Do you know them? If you don't know them, go talk to them. You will know them. I need a pair of shoes. We can buy them later. Where are my pencils? I gave them to you last night. That's all for today with these 3 words. Then, than, them. After every lesson, I repeat the same mantra. Practice, practice and practice. Listen and repeat each exercise with me. Today we have 3 more exercises. Listen and repeat all those exercises along with me when I say each and every sentence. Make it a habit. It's like you think in English, you eat English, you walk English, you sit English and you speak English wherever you go. Your full thoughts, make it a habit to have your thoughts only in English. It's only English, English, English. If you have made up your mind to learn English, then nothing can stop you. That's it. That's all for today. Meet you in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.